Hi dosto, once again welcome back to the channel. This video is regarding the income tax Government of India portal which is just launched yesterday and how to file your ITR returns through that portal. So we have already pushed another video where you can see how to enter your credentials, how to reset your password, what is the look and feel of the dashboard of this portal. In this I am not going to explain anything of that kind. I'm not going to waste the time. Directly we will see how to file income tax returns using that website, and this is the URL incometax.gov.in. I will give this URL in my video description. Once you log in, you can see here e-filing 2.0 is given in this portal. It will take a little bit time to load, maybe some seconds, and after that you can close this pop-up, and after closing the pop-up you get an icon here. This is the icon I'm talking about, kind of a profile picture. You click here. Once you click here, you get two options, register and login. I have already explained in my previous video, you don't need to register in this portal if you already have an account with the old income tax portal. Okay, you can directly logging in using those credentials which you had in the old income tax portal. Usually your username will be PAN card. If you have any other username, you can give that. After entering the username, you can click on the continue button, and after clicking on the continue button, it will take you to this page where you have to confirm, tick this message. After that, just scroll down and give the same password you had in the previous portal. Okay, previous income tax portal till last year you were using. And now click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue, as you can see here, first it shows your profile and stuff. So you can scroll a little bit down. At the end you've got two options, either to skip or update your profile. If you wanted to change your address, bank details stuff, you can update. Otherwise you can directly skip this. And once you skip, you can see there is a three-line button on top icon. You click there and you are going under e-file, because we are going to file income tax returns. You click on e-file, you get three options, two options mainly, and under that income tax returns is the option you are going to click. Okay, so when you click on income tax returns, again you get multiple options here. There is mainly two options you can see here. If you wanted to view your filed returns for previous years, you are going to click here. So let us quickly have a see how to see this filed returns for previous years. Maybe within 1 minute I'll show you just only highlight. So you click there, you can see here view filed returns. By default it will show you ascending order of years, because last year you can see here 2021 assessment year is shown here. What are your process by date, everything will be shown. Your acknowledged number will be shown. What kind of form you file, ITR 1, 2, 3, whatever you have filed, it will be shown. If you scroll down, you get a button like more view details, and download form is not yet enabled. They clearly said they are going to enable within short time. Okay, because this is just launched, it will take some time to upload. Now download receipt also there, you can click there and download the receipt of previous years. Now if you scroll down, you can see here next assessment year 1920. That means in ascending order all the assessment years data will be there for the previous income tax filing reports. Okay, you can get it any year, whatever you filed online everything will be there. So let us not concentrate on this. We have checked it. Now our main agenda is to file income tax return for this year. So you are going to click on this option now, income tax return filing. Okay, so once you click there, this is the main page coming in, where you are going to enter two data. One is your assessment year and below filing type. Okay, so assessment year by default current year will be 2021, as you know, because this is the assessment year for your financial year of 2021. Okay, assessment year is 21-22. I'm sorry. For financial year of 2021, whatever you are earned, you are going to select 21-22. This is for the current year. Okay, so once you select 21-22, you have filing type that will be disabled. Don't worry, don't do anything there as of now. And you can see here ITR type is also disabled. Don't worry about this. If you have checked in profile, it would have been come, but you don't need to change it now. You can do it later. Don't worry about these things. Let us directly click on the continue button. Okay, once you click on continue, it will take you to the page again where you can select the option of two methods. One is the online or using offline HTML utility. That means you can download a utility and offline you can fill and upload, but recommended one is the online method, which is faster and also easy because they will store it in intermediately. So you click on proceed button after selecting the online method. Now you are seeing, if you are already in between, you were doing this process and you lost connection, you are going to click on the resume filing, because if it is half done, you wanted to continue from where you stopped, click on the resume filing. So if you are a newly filing for this year, then you have to click on start new filing option. Okay, so let us start with start new filing. Here you are going to select which category you are falling into, individual, HUF or others. Most of the time salaried persons and pensioners fall under individual, so I am going to select the individual option here and click on the continue. Once you click on select continue button, it will take you to another page where you can select your ITR form now. Okay, previously you didn't do or you couldn't do that. So when you click on select ITR form, you got 1 and 4 option. For individual, these are the options available. So I'm going to select ITR 1. This usually all the salaried persons or pensioners commonly going to use ITR 1 option. So let me stick to the common method where common man will be benefited. So as you can see here, there are conditions given: individual being a resident and up to 50 lakh of yearly income and stuff is going to opt for ITR 1. Also your agricultural income should be up to 5,000. If you are crossing these marks, you are going to select the other form. Okay, now click on proceed with ITR 1. Once you click on ITR 1, you can see here there is a let us get started button. Obviously by default you are going to click this button. Once you click on let's get started, are you filing income tax return for any of the following reasons? So we have to select what is the reason we are going to file income tax for. Okay, so taxable income is more than basic exemption limit. Okay, usually this should be true because you are filing income tax because your basic exemption is more than whatever. Now if you are filing for any other conditions, you have to select the second option. So usually first option will be selected for a normal person, salaried person, pensioner has to select this option. And the second option, let us quickly see why the second option. If you have some conditions are there, you can see here, if you have an amount exceeding 1 crore in one of your or one or more of your current accounts, okay, clearly it is given, then you have to select that option. Otherwise you have something like amount of 2 lakhs for foreign travel or 1 lakh of consumption of electricity. See this, if you are exceeding 1 lakh of your electricity consumption, you are going to select the second option also and select this last option also. And 2 lakh above foreign travel, if you have, again you are going to select this option. If nothing else, you can select others. Okay, so in my case I'm going to select the first option because I fall only in under this category for taxable income is more than basic exemption limit. Okay, once you select this, see, accordingly you can select. If you fall any other category here, you have to select those options also. It's not radio button, you can select multiple options, remember that. After that you can click on continue button. Once you click on continue, takes some time to load, and once the page is loaded, we have pre-filled your income tax. That means they have pulled your data from bank and other forms and few salary things and filled it by default. That's good for you because you don't need to work more time for filling all those things. Just close the pop-up. Three things you have to fill: validate return, under that personal information, gross total income, total deduction, tax paid, liability will be shown, and after that confirm and verify and submit. This is the process. So first let us see validate pre-filled return, what it looks like. So your personal information will be there, your gross total income will be there, total deduction, tax paid, everything will be there, okay, by default. So they will pull it from the page. That is why it has not yet pulled. Once it pulled, it will show the data right side. I will show you that example also. Okay, so once you click on a proceed button, after selecting this, it will show you like this. Okay, see this, the data has been pulled. So you can see here personal data, total income, total deduction, everything is there right side. Any data if you feel like it's wrong or modify, there is always you have modify option here. Okay, you can click on modify if required. See here, you can modify it. There is no problem that you should not modify it. Any data you can modify. So after modifying, you are finding things are okay, you can click on the proceed button. Okay, once you click on proceed, you get something like this. If you are supposed to pay extra, it says you have to make a payment of so and so, and the breakup will be clearly shown why this comes this much, maybe due to multiple reasons. Okay, so here the breakup is clearly shown. In this example, this person has a total taxable income in so and so. You can see here the calculation, total taxable income under head salaries, house rent, everything will be shown. So after every deduction, your total income say this much, and then two components. As you can see, what are those components? This is because there is an interest on the tax, because he might have not paid quarterly income tax. So that's why there is an income tax interest added. So interest plus other things all together, this is the amount you are going to pay. This is an example I am showing. Suppose you are having so you have two options, pay later or pay now. If you do pay now, it will take you to your bank site. You can clear it off and you get an e-challan, save it. Now suppose this person has an refund, it will show you like this, because you are overpaid. Okay, you have paid more than what is required by income tax department. So then you get a refund obviously, and this is the amount. For example, it will show you like this. If you have a refund, it will show you all the details, like how much you paid, how much you are supposed to pay, and what is the minus, what is the difference, you can see here. So in this case, if this is shown like this, you can click on preview return. Okay, you can click on preview return and you can see the details, and you can also move forward. Once you move forward, preview and submit, you have to enter your place first and tick this option. Okay, because I confirm. This is the declaration. And if you are a tax preparer, then you have to give your details. If you are doing it self, you don't need to fill any of this, because you are a self taxpayer. You are not taking help of a tax preparer. So what you can do after this, click on proceed to validation. Okay, so we have confirmed, we have already validation is done now, sorry, verification. Now we are going to validate it. As you can see here, proceed for verification. So two process at last. Okay, validation and verification. You validate it, now you are going to verify it. Verify it is through, you have three options. This is all same as old portal. E-verify now, e-verify later, or via ITR 5 also you can do. So e-verify now is the best option. It is instant, and you can see here you can do through Aadhaar OTP. So this is the best option because it is recommended through Aadhaar OTP. Quickly you can verify, you don't need to wait anything. So validation is done, we are doing the verification part. Check the Aadhaar option, first option, e-verify through Aadhaar, and click on continue. You can see here you have to enter the Aadhaar OTP. You will get an Aadhaar OTP. You have successfully filed and verified. So this is the process, as you can see here. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you with another informative video.